Yeah, yeah. If I wasn't rapping, baby, I would still be around Mercedes. I knew it was so related. My old bitch was overrated. If you pop that pill, remember niggas feel like I wasn't feet. If you want that cup, remember niggas feel like I'm running the F's as you fly inside the whip. When I'm done, I'ma pass around the gas, go buy some more. If I hit the gas and crash and die down the smoke. When I'm working the F's as you fly inside.
Hey, dirty nigga got soul like inside. Stuck 2 pounds on the inside. Hey, trapping out the map go. Hey, serving out the chevron. Little nigga got caught with the hair rod. Dog food and the word to my canine. Heard the nigga got popped with the hay rod. Hey, running to the state line.
I just put plays in the bulletproof range with a couple of gangers. Oh, yeah, that drink ain't feeling my face, ain't feeling no pain. Baby, come down and put that stress on top of your head. Yeah, baby, like that, can you handle that? How can you handle yourself? If I was a rapping baby.
You are now tuned into America's Next Top.
I'm about to make you dance, make you shake your hands. They thumping, let the rhythm put you in a trance. You can dance, just move your feet. PO2, we got to be bumping. This my jam. So get up off of your and just dance.
This right here my favorite, DJ Crank It, mommy can't take it. I just wanna see her shake it, so contagious, I can't explain it. Take me on a shopping spree, what you need, you got it, you name it. I just wanna see her shake it, I just wanna see her.
This is dance.
In your pocket, in your pocket,
Dance.
in your pocket, back in your pocket,
Dance.
in your pocket, in your pocket, in your pocket, back in your pocket,
This is dance. Left cheek, right cheek.
in your pocket, back in your pocket.
This is dance. Left cheek, right cheek. Hands on my knees, got the world so weak. Better not trick if you're not gon' treat. Land of the free, pay my fee. Brand new bag, just paid my taxes. New Jimmy Choos might do a backflip. Bend it, break it, move erratic. I'm so classy and so ratchet. I'm shaking this thing so seismic. Change the climate. I'm loving how much you like it. So good that you can't describe it. It's way too much going on outside. Come take a ride, I'ma put it in drive. It's electric, baby, slide and move that thing if you wanna survive.
About you, I wonder what's real. Yeah, just tell him to chill. Body on body, I like how I feel. Did you get that from LA or Brazil? I'm cooking up something, don't stare at the grill. She ready to taste the amazing appeal. She want me to pay for vacations and hills, but baby just shake it and maybe I will.
The ladies, tell me where the fellas at. Say where they at. Say where they at. Fellas, the fellas, tell me where the ladies at. Where they at? At the club. Where they at? Back in your pocket. Back in your pocket. Back in your pocket. Back in your pocket. Back in your
Baby, I would still be around Mercedes. I knew this was so related. My old bitch was overrated. If you pop that pill, remember niggas feel like I was in 50. If you want it, but remember niggas feel like. If they talking about cash, present them down, me down the scope. I've been moving my stash around, cause I just watch it. Ain't breaking my back, I'm like, cause I'm just cool. I've been moving my stash around, cause I just watch it. Yeah, Canada man, got a minute of man, take a look at this shit. Yeah, I'm in the trap, but I kick in that box, but I click in this. Baby, come down and put the stress on top of your head. Yeah, baby, like that, can you handle that? How can you handle yourself? If I was a rapping baby, I would still be around Mercedes. If I was a rapping baby, I would still be around Mercedes. If I was a rapping baby, I would still be around Mercedes. If I was a rapping baby. If I was a rapping baby, I would still be around Mercedes. I knew this was so related. My old bitch was overrated.